Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Mr. Bart over here at Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. Today's video is about OSHA. Okay, now OSHA stands for Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Okay, OSHA is a government agency under the U.S. Department of Labor that focuses on keeping workers safe on the job. Okay, they create and enforce rules about safe handling, mixing, storing, and the disposal of products, maintaining a safe work environment, your right to be informed about harmful ingredients in the products you use. OSHA also requires that every chemical product comes with a safety data sheet, SDS. This is a standardized document, 16 sections, that explains what's in the product, the risks involved, and how to use it safely. It replaced the older versions like the MSDS. Thanks for watching.